If you work with dates in Excel, these two functions will save you hours. EDATE and EOMONTH. Let me show you how they work. I will use a simple monthly dataset for Colombia and Brazil. I will show you how to create future dates, past dates, and month-end dates automatically. EDATE shifts any date forward or backward by a number of months. Let's use an example for Colombia. I type EDATE. Choose the 15th of January 2022 as a starting date, and want to get the date from 2 months ago, so I will type -2. We obtain the 15th of November 2021. Now let's get the next month from the 15th of March 2022. I type EDATE, choose the reference month, and type 1 to get the next month. And we correctly get the 15th of April 2022. EOMONTH gives you the last day of the month. Extremely useful for financial data, reporting, and time series alignment. In this example, I want to get the last day of the month for the 15th of January 2022, and we get the 31st of January. In the second example, I want the last day of the next month for the 15th of February 2022, and we obtain the 31st of March 2022. And finally, let's suppose we need the last day of the previous month for the 15th of March 2022. As anticipated, the formula correctly returns the 28th of February 2022. You can also combine both formulas to get the month end of a shifted date. In this example for Brazil, I try to get the last day of the next month from the 20th of March 2022. And the nested formula returns, as expected, the 30th of April 2022. This is great for forecasting or aligning monthly panel data. EDATE and EOMONTH are simple, powerful tools for any time series or panel workflow. Thank you for watching the video. Please like if you found it helpful.